Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the possible impacts of religion on our social life. As you know, throughout this course, we have been talking about the society and culture and how society is produced and how its culture is produced by having interactions in different social institutions. So, religion being the one of the most important parts of our social life has so many consequences on our life. For example, it has a great impact on our economy, as religion promotes the economic equality in a way that if you are being born poor, religion considers that perhaps it's not your fault. मज़हब जो है वो आपको सिखाता है कि अगर आपके और आपके फेलो बींग्स के दरमियान जो है वो इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी है, तो आपको डिफरेंट तरीक़ों से उनकी मदद करनी चाहिए। जैसे ज़कात का एक तस्वर इस्लाम के अंदर मौजूद है कि आप अपनी इनकम का एक ख़ास शेयर जो है वो दूसरों के साथ शेयर करें, ताकि बाकी लोगों को जो है सोसाइटी में रहते हुए बेसिक नीड्स जो हैं वो फुलफ़िल करने में मदद मिल सके. So religion encourages the economic activities as well. For example, Islam helps you with certain norms or certain rules that how you can practice economy. जैसे इस्लाम में सूद का तस्वर जो है वो हराम है, रिबा सूद या रिबा जो है उसको हराम करार दिया गया है. उसकी एक बहुत बड़ी वजह जो है वो सोशल है, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा निज़ाम कायम करता है जो इंसान को दूसरे इंसानों से ना सिर्फ एलिनेट कर देता है, बल्कि उनके अंदर एक ख़ास तरह का जो है वो ऑप्रेशन या जबर जो है वो पैदा करता है. सो रिलीजन अपलिफ्ट्स द पुअर सेगमेंट्स ऑफ सोसाइटी and it imposes the tax on the richer so that it can help the poor people to fulfill their basic needs. And religion promotes the charity and alms. If we see that how it has the impact on education, religion promotes the education for both male and female. It promotes both scientific as well as religious education. It does not specifically focus on the religious education and forbids the other secular education system. However, the ultimate goal for the religion is to see the universe, to see the world around you, and that should help to find your God, to find these aspects of your life. अल्लाह ताला भी हमें बार बार जो है वो कायनात के ऊपर गौर करने की दावत देते हैं, ताकि हम इस कायनात के अंदर मौजूद फ़िज़िकल, मेटाफिज़िकल या स्पिरिचुअल या इमोशनल जितने भी एस्पेक्ट्स हैं उनके हवाले से खुदा की ज़ात को पहचान सकें. सो रिलीजियस एजुकेशन हैज़ अ वाइड चेन इन पाकिस्तान विद डिफरेंट न्यूमरस social institutions, but they do not specifically focus on the religious education. They also teach the other courses which help them to excel as professionals, as well as to know the basics of the other secular disciplines like physics, biology, chemistry as well. If we see the impact on religion, impact on crime, religion teaches its followers not to involve in crime, not to commit the deviancy, because religion serves as a very systematic mechanism of social control, in a way that it offers a very pertinent system of social sanctions, where religion gives us a system of reward and punishment. इस्लाम के अंदर भी अगर आप देखें तो आपके लिए रिवार्ड और पनिशमेंट का निज़ाम जो है वो साथ साथ चलता है. आपके अच्छे अमाल के ऊपर जो है एक जन्नत का कॉन्सेप्ट है और बुरे अमाल के ऊपर दोज़ख या जहन्नुम का कॉन्सेप्ट है. सो रिलीजन प्रमोट्स द पीस एंड हार्मनी इन सोसाइटी, एंड रिलीजियस पर्सन्स आर less involved in the criminal activities as per scientific research. So impacts of on the family relationship, religion also promotes the family institution. It helps us to come into the relationships by having or by performing certain obligations, rights, and duties. Religion teaches the cordial relationship with the family members. Religion also explains the rights for the parents and promotes the good relationship with them. And religion also explains the rights for the husband and wife. Impact on health, it also encourages the healthy diet. जैसे इस्लाम के अंदर आप देखें तो सबसे पहले आपकी लाइफ को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए इस्लाम ने खुदकुशी को या अपने आप को कत्ल करने को हराम करार दिया है। तो इंसानी जान को बहुत अहमियत हासिल है, इसी तरह से सेहत को बहुत अहमियत हासिल है। सेहत के हवाले से आपको बड़ी वैल्यूएबल रिलीजियस कोट्स मिलती हैं जिसमें हेल्थ की सिग्निफिकेंस है, और ऐसी चीज़ें जो मुज़र सेहत हैं उनसे बार बार मज़हब के हवाले से उनसे बार बार मना फरमाया गया है। सो प्रेयर also helps us stay clean and tidy, and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was one of the prime examples of health conscious. And if we talk about the individual, previously we have been talking about the social life. However, individual is also part of the social life. So religion provides answers to certain critical questions like who am I, what is going to happen to me, what is future, what happened to my past, and what is my ultimate goal of life, and what would happen to me when I die. So these kind of personal questions are sometimes very psychologically disturbing if we do not possess the answers from religion. So it provides answers to these critical questions and also provides the comfort by reflecting on the life after death, life hereafter, and it raises the self-esteem of an individual and soothes the anxiety in a way that, for example, if you have the economic distress, you do not have adequate resources to survive, religion helps you by telling that you certainly would not be living in the same situation for permanent. There might be some bad phases in your life, but do have a faith in God and the better future would be waiting for you. So it protects against the depression by giving a very soothing effect, a hopefulness in your life.